Hey there friends, in this video I'm going to be showing you how to set a live wallpaper on Windows 11. So as you can see on my desktop right here, I have an animated and interactive live wallpaper currently set. So doing so is really easy and only takes a few short steps, and you should be able to fully customize your desktop wallpaper. So to get started, let's hit the start menu button on our keyboard and let's type in Microsoft Store. So at the Microsoft Store, you're going to see a search bar at the top. This is what the landing page looks like normally. So go ahead and click on the search bar at the top and type in Lively Wallpaper. As you can see, I already have it typed into my search history right here. And you're going to click on the first result. So this is the application by Rox Danister, and it's what I like to use, and it's one of the best free options that you can use as well. So go ahead and click on install. Right now it says open because I already have it installed, but once it's done downloading, this is what the UI should show you. Now there are already a few options that are bundled with the program, and you are free to pick whichever one suits your fancy. There are also other options where you can upload your own by either uploading a video file or a GIF or using a web page as well. So all you have to do to add your own is click on the plus button at the top right. And let's say I want to use a specific video as my live wallpaper. I'm going to click on choose a file, and I'm going to choose probably this one. Going to rename this to something like mountain view. I'm gonna click on OK. And after a minute or two of loading into the program, it should be ready to go. So as you can see, it's been uploaded. I'm gonna go ahead and click on that to activate it. And if we go back to our desktop, as you can see, the live wallpaper has changed to whatever video we set it to. So that's going to be it for this video. I hope I was able to teach you something new and something useful. And as always, thank you for watching.